Hello, you got Mr.
and Mrs.
Smith. And first off, we just want to thank you. We want to just show our gratitude for you tuning in to us. No matter where you're watching us from, we just are grateful for you tuning in to us. But we want to take it a step further. Instead of you just watching us, we want you to join forces with us. We want you to really get on this journey with us so you can benefit from the things that we teach and the things that we're learning and really take yourself further, faster off of the things that we share. Queen, tell them what it is that we do.
See, now we're partnered with a company that actually offers financial success memberships, you guys. These memberships include strategies for minimizing your taxes, learning about the W-4, learning the tax laws, record keeping, debt elimination, fixing your own credit. We have a 10-step system that's included with video tutorials on how to repair your own credit. No more paying $100 to $300 a month. And then you'll also learn about investments, assets that you can pass down for generations. And here's the best part: 5 streams of income.
Yes.
So you can literally position yourself for a full-time income from home or wherever you deem you want to work.
I love it. And all of that without breaking the bank or putting a dent in your pocket. So this is what we want from you. No matter what platform you're watching us from, all we want you to do is understand that you must take your seat on the throne and start bettering your finances. Position yourself to create that solid financial foundation. So if you would, type in the comments right now, I'm ready to take my seat on the throne. I'm ready to take my seat on the throne, and we'll show you how easy it is to partner up with us, to join forces with us, and benefit from the information we teach, but also empower others, and you can get paid to do it.
Yes, yes, yes. Say I'm ready, and let's get you started.
Mr. and Mrs. Smith
signing out.